Hope everybody is doing good and keeping up safe. So today's video is not about something information. It's just about the patience which one has to have if in case they are into recruitment. It's not something easy task when it comes to lateral hiring for senior profiles. So I'll give you an example of one of my client. For which it took me around 6 months in total. I started hiring since December, one single job, and it took me around 6 months to close that position. So let me just discuss about the same, and I hope it might give you some sort of hope that definitely it's not the only you who is facing such challenges. There are several other companies who are having such problems. And in the end, I'll ask you some question, maybe if in case you can suggest me something as per your point of view, if in case you are an HR and you're watching the video. So the story starts in December when they gave me one requirement for a single senior PHP developer role, and they gave me this requirement on somewhere around December 22nd, and we finalized the contract. It took somewhere around 2-3 days, and we started working on the same by 27th-28th of December. By January 3rd, I shared the first profile, and that was the exact profile what they were looking forward to. They took the interview. You know how the interview takes time when it comes to IT hirings. The first round is somewhat a little bit technical, then the second is the machine test or the tech round with some senior manager or the director or anything, and then the final round is with the HR round in salary negotiation, and then the joining happens. So this process is also too much time gaining when it comes to senior candidates. Taking out time from the senior candidate, that what time he or she is free, then taking on time from the manager of that company client for which you're hiring, that when they are free to take the interview, everything matches up, you align the interview, you make sure that there is no technical fault, because if in case it happens, the interview is going to stretch for you see again for next schedule when they both are free at the very same time. So it takes time, but again I was able to close this position with all the rounds within 6 days, and everything was going good. Her current package was 6.7. She expected around 9.3, 9.4 something, and we offered her 9, and she accepted that offer, and she was okay with the same. We gave her 50,000 annual bonus, 9 plus 50,000 bonus, so that was somewhere close to what she was expecting, 9.5. She took the offer happily, and after giving the offer, she stopped picking up my calls, and things became little stressed out. That client is kind of a startup, so I was the only consultant who was working for them, and they were quite dependent upon me, and I was also pretty much hopeful that I'll be able to do something good. So now things went in stressed out situation. So I tried contacting her WhatsApp through calls and everything, and she was not reverting back, and it took around 2 days, 3 days, and I shared some direct messages to her that if in case you're not interested, you have some package issues, any sort of issues there, let us know so that we can stop this position at your end, we can start hiring for other candidates. And she finally sent a text that I got the hike on the package which you have offered me, and I'm no more interested to work in this profile. So we told her that we might increase the package, things can be discussed, but she was not at all interested to talk even. And so again we restarted the hiring, and we, with the full motivation and enthusiasm, we again restarted finding out the candidates for the senior profiles. And exactly it took me around now 12 to 14 days something to find another exact candidate what they're looking forward to. Meanwhile, I kept on sharing the profiles. In the span of 6 months, I shared around 48 senior profiles of their what they're looking forward to, out of which 4 were offered. So second candidate was shortlisted. We took the interview, then that candidate had some other interview. So I told, and that company for which he was giving the interview was quite MNC. So we told him frankly, that if in case we shortlist you, select you, and you get an offer from that MNC, would you be joining our company or not? He mentioned that if that company offers me, I would not going to join your company. So we said, okay, that's fine, no problem, then let's wait for the interview of that MNC company where you're giving the interview. Meanwhile, we started screening other candidates as well, and after 10-12 days that candidate came back and told me that okay, that interview is stuck now and they are not reverting me back. They have taken all the rounds and I'm not hearing any decision from them, so I'm open to give an interview now. We were again thinking that MNC companies, the good companies, sometimes they takes time of 1 month, 2 months, 3 months even to release the offer, so you never know at what time that person can get the offer. So I asked him, so let's see frankly that this much time has been passed, and now if in case we offer you, is there any probability if that company turns up, you might ditch our offer? And he said no, I can give that in written, and he gave that in written. उसने written में दे दिया. He mentioned that if in case I'll be joining your company, so if I accept your offer, I won't be joining that company. And everything went well. We took the interview, we released the offer. That took around 6-7 days, and the wait happened for the first candidate, and everything went well. We offered him. He was an immediate joiner. He had a notice of 3 to 4 days, and everything went well. So after 3-4 days, he took the offer. He joined for 2 days, and after that suddenly he dispersed. And the same thing happened. He stopped picking up the call. He stopped reverting to the messages which I shared with him. Unfortunately, this candidate never reverted me back. I tried calling him on several days at different sort of times, and I sent him message 3 to 4 times. I sent him a direct message like the other candidate that if in case you're not joining, I'm okay, you do at least let me know. Every messages was seen on WhatsApp. He was watching my messages, he was online, he was doing other activities, but he was not reverting back to me and to that company as well. And after a week, we dropped him an email that we are going to drop this position, and we started hunting for another candidate again. This time it was a little bit difficult. The complete Feb went by and I was not able to find a exact candidate what they're looking forward to. Some candidate had a notice of more than 60 days, 90 days, and they were coming from that kind of background, so we kind of understood that they are not going to join our company, and they're just having some couple of offers with them. So again, in the March first week, we got some another candidate. He was really good candidate. We offered him. He was an immediate joiner, and it took around again a week. We took the interview, we offered him, and everything went well. He joined the company. He was having some laptop issue. We sorted that out, and unfortunately, after joining up 2 days, the same thing happened. He stopped picking up our calls, and he dropped an email the next day that unfortunately my wife's mother is hospitalized. She's on a ventilator. She's not well, and I might not be able to join the company. If in case you're not able to wait for me, you can shortlist another candidate. And we thought of having such kind of situation, it's not good to drop candidate even though he joined for 2 days, but we were okay to wait for 15 days, 20 days leaves, and we could have made him join again. So we tried reaching out to him. He stopped picking up our call. He stopped reverting to any messages and anything. The days passed on. With company approached him, I approached him personally, और 4-5 days निकल गए. उसके बाद में फिर I tried calling with some another number. He randomly picked up and he told me, okay, I'll update you this and that. And after that he again the same thing. 10 दिन निकल गए, 12 दिन निकल गए. We tried reaching out to him directly कि we are going to drop this offer. At least let us know, we are there to support you. And then we came to know through some other recruiter, and she called him, and we got to know that his mother, wife's mother expired. So it was like, okay, we were there to support him. So I again tried to contact him to let him know that we are ready to wait for you to join, and I understand the problem, and let us wait for 30 days. We are okay, we can wait for more than 30 days, and if you are ready to join us. He didn't mention anything. He didn't revert to that email. I tried reaching out to him by message again, but same thing happened, and still I didn't receive any reply from him. So after that, I again started working on the same, and by waiting for that candidate for complete March, it again things is stressed out, and now it was like April. I was working out. Meanwhile, I was sharing candidates. The interview was going on, but they were not shortlisted. And again, I found one candidate. He was he was shortlisted, and he had a notice of 60 days, but he mentioned that he can negotiate for around 30 days, 45 days, and we offered him. but once he got the offer, he mentioned that no, the HR is not allowing me, and we actually checked twice with that candidate. 3 बार हमने चेक किया कि क्या आप नेगोशिएट कर सकते हो, आप आर यू श्योर. ही मेंशन आई एम 100% श्योर. बट ऑफर देने के बाद में उन्होंने किया कि नो, आई एम नॉट श्योर दैट आई कैन नेगोशिएट ऑन द नोटिस पीरियड, और 60 डेज ही रहेगा. We told him that we can offer you as per our discussion, if in case you are joining by 30 days, we can max stretch it till 40 days, but we are not going to wait 60 days because before the interview you clearly mentioned that you will join within 30 days. And right after taking the offer, the very next day he mentioned that he is not going to negotiate a lot at all. तो हमने काफ़ी ट्राई किया. I had a conversation for 30 minutes. Meanwhile हमने काफ़ी बात की, but he is still stuck to that, और वो 60 days का नोटिस ही सर्व करना चाहते हैं. Company didn't offer him because वो बात 30 days की थी, and they were worried that seeing the past case, they thought that if in case we might offer him और 60 days के बाद भी नहीं join करे, because his terms and conditions changed right after the interview. We kept him on hold. We again took some another interview, और इस तरीके से अप्रैल मिड हो गया. करते करते फिर एक कैंडिडेट और मिला इमीडिएट जॉइनर, उसका इंटरव्यू लिया, फिर एक वीक लगा, फिर उनको ऑफ़र किया, सैलरी डिस्कशन की. उस कैंडिडेट लास्ट टाइम ही वॉज डूइंग फ्रीलांसिंग, सो वी डिडंट आस्क फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ exact proof, and based upon his last salary for having some deductions, and he was very much desperate for the job, and he was very much keen to work on this thing. We offered him and he worked for one day, and the very next day the same thing happened. He stopped picking up our call, he stopped reverting to our emails, and I reached out to him through WhatsApp because there were a lot of conversation wherein he was approaching to me back to back that I'm very eager and needy for the job, I really need this job, please help me out. So I tried replying to the same messages, you were really eager and I offered you a job, I offered you whatever salary you were looking for, I'm giving you a remote job and everything was good, so what happened? Then he mentioned that I was having COVID, so I'm having some now rashes, and I'm having, I believe, some fungus or whatever the issue is, it is happening with me because of some steroid which the doctor gave me. And we understood this problem is going on, so we cooperated. I asked him for the medical documents, and I told him that till the time this situation is going to get normal, he can let me know whatever the doctor says, and then maybe by 10 days or 15 days, whenever you are normal, we can give you the joining, you can let me know. But he again stopped reverting to my messages. I sent him again, I dropped a message again, 2 days, 3 days passed, and we finally thought that this candidate is going to get dropped again because we had some such issues earlier. But he reverted back to the client. He mentioned that I'm having such issues, I'm not able to speak. But we told that if in case you're not able to speak, that is okay, but you can share a message at least that doctor has suggested me for these many days and I can join by this day. But if in case you're not reverting at all, how we will come to know that if in case you're really interested, we should wait or not. So things are still in dilemma, and now it's like May. So I started working since December and it's like May, and I have told you so many examples, so many candidates which we offered, and I don't know, I'm not sure if it is a bad luck or or maybe a coincidence, or you suggest me being an HR. What do you think, hearing this complete story from my end? What can be the possible solution to that, and what you would have done if in case you are in place of me, and what are the issues you can say, or the drawback which we had at our end? What do you think, what do you suggest? And do let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. If in case you have watched out the complete video, I'm pretty much sure you'll be suggesting me some ways on the same. Do share with someone who you think is struggling with recruitment and not able to find the sure sort selection for the lateral hirings, and by devoting so much time. So I'm pretty much sure they can relate to this story. And you take care. Bye bye. Thank you.